guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming for the first time in my new house and I am still getting used to like the lighting and stuff. I don't even know how this is gonna look, but hopefully it looks good. But today I am super excited because we got a huge package in the mail and I didn't know if I was gonna get this package or not, but we got the new Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day collection. This package is literally massive. But I was so excited because you guys know how much I love Valentine's Day and Valentine's Day collections. And when I saw the Valentine's Day collection like post and everything on Instagram for Kylie Cosmetics, I was super excited. Everything in this collection is so cute. So today we're just playing around with it. I'm gonna be doing swatches. The collection already launched, so hopefully when I'm filming this, everything is still available. I will link everything down below for you guys. And thank you to Kylie Cosmetics for sending over this package. I am so excited and like, are you kidding me? This package is literally so cute. But yeah. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Also, I want to say really quick, thank you so much to everyone who congratulated me on moving and stuff. It's been a process for sure. And this is like the first time I've done my makeup in like weeks. So like moving things slowly and like getting everything situated. So thank you for being patient with me and with filming and everything and content. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So that we have in the collection is the eyeshadow palette, and this is what the unit carton looks like. It has like this glitter Kylie on it. I love the like iridescence to it as well. And then the packaging on the actual palette itself is the same. Open it up and this is what the inside looks like. And we also have like a cute little heart mirror as well. There are a mixture of like mattes and shimmers in here, and the colors in here are super pretty. I love them. And I just really like the little heart-shaped pans as well. So that is the palette. That we have in this collection are 3 cream blush sticks, and they come in this cute little packaging that kind of looks like candy or like lollipops or something. We have Hey Sugar, Make Him Blush, and then Cupid's Crush. And this is what the packaging looks like on the blush sticks themselves. They're like this little heart-shaped packaging, and you just swirl it up and we have heart-shaped blush. So cute. I love it. I just love the aesthetics of everything heart-shaped. You guys already know this. I've mentioned it a million times. You don't need to hear me say it even more, but I just love everything heart-shaped. So these are just like gonna look so cute on my vanity. I'm so excited, but I love the little packaging that it comes in. Like you just kind of rip it open kind of like a candy. It's really cute. So those are the blush sticks. Hey Sugar is like a peachy color, and then the other 2 are like more pinky tones. Next thing that we have in the collection is the highlighter. The unit carton kind of looks the same as the palette packaging and stuff, and then this is what the actual highlighter looks like. It is in this compact. You open it up and this is what it looks like. This is so cute. I love the like heart, not stamp, I don't know what it's even called. It's erased highlighter. It is so adorable. I love this. And the highlighter is like a peachy kind of highlight with some pink and purple and I think a little bit of like gold and even some silver shimmer throughout it. It is really pretty. I have it on my collarbones and on like the tops of my shoulders and on my face as well. And honestly, like spoiler alert, but I was not expecting to like this highlighter as much as I did, but it is so pretty. I love the color of this. So that is the highlighter. Next in the collection, we have a lip gloss set, and you just slide this open, and then we have 3 glosses in here, and the glosses are in kind of the same heart-shaped packaging as the blushes, but the blushes are a little bit chunkier and smaller, so this is the difference between the 2. But we have 3 glosses in here. We have a nude, like a purpley tone, and then a like brighter pink shade. Miss Jenner is like a brownie nude, and then In the Clouds is like this purpley kind of mauve-y type of gloss, and then February Bay is just a really pretty like hot pink gloss. So those are the glosses that are in the set. We have 2 matte liquid lip and lip liner lip kits. Packaging again really cute. Her lips like have some glitter on it. They sparkle. The first one that we have is About Last Night, and this one is kind of like a more muted, like very dusty pink, almost a little bit of mauve tone to it. And then we have like the matching lip liner, and then I love the little cherries on the actual packaging itself. Super cute. So that one is About Last Night, and the other one that we have is No One's Baby, and this one is again more on the like purplier tone, pink, kind of like mauve, a deeper mauve-y dusty rose kind of shade with the matching lip liner again, and that packaging with the little cherries on it is super cute. So also the inside of the actual box has those cherries on it as well. Last but not least, in the collection we have some falsies. This little heart-shaped packaging is so cute. They did send over some chocolates with the PR package as well, and it matches this. It is adorable. But these are what the lashes look like. I don't have them on today. Obviously, they're still in the packaging, but they're just kind of like this long, wispy, kind of staggered lash style. Really cute, but the packaging is adorable. It looks like a little heart-shaped candy box. But yeah, so that was everything in the collection. Hopefully those swatches were helpful for you guys if you guys were interested in picking anything up. Like I said, I will link all of that down below for you guys. So this is the look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the palette. So I don't really know exactly what look I'm gonna do. But I think I'm going to start off with Adore You, which is this shade right here, and just use that as my transition. Just putting that in the crease. This is just like a nice, like soft, muted pink. Literally like the perfect transition shade. I'm going to go in with Cherries and Cream, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to start packing that on the outer corner and then into the crease. Trying to get used to this lighting in my new house. And I can't tell if it looks good or not. I really like this color a lot. It's like that shade of pink. It's like a mauve-y, dusty pink that I just love to throw on all over. I'm gonna add a little bit of By the Fire. It's like this bright, like pinky orange shade. I just want to add some brightness to this look. It's honestly really, really pretty. Oh, I love that color. It's so nice. I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna take Piece of Heaven, which is this shade. I'm gonna just take this on my finger and I'm gonna just put that on my lid. Ooh, that color is really pretty. Ooh, I really like these shadows. This is such a pretty like metallic pink, and I'm actually going to take that lid shade. I'm gonna wet it a little bit just so it kind of pops a little bit more. I'm gonna pack that on just a little bit just to add some more intensity to that. By the Fire shade is honestly super pretty. It's probably my favorite color in the palette. That's all I'm going to do for the eyes right now. I'm going to go do my foundation really quick and then we'll try the blushes, which I'm super excited for, and the highlighter and all the other stuff. So I went ahead and just did my foundation and bronzer really quick. So we're going to move on to the little blushes, and these are so cute. I love the packaging on these. So I do have to tear this open. I'm going to tear it open from the bottom because it's too cute to ruin. This is the shade Hey Sugar. I think this is the peachy one. This is what the little blushes look like. Yeah, this is the peachy one. This is right up my alley. I love, this is so cute. Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me? This is adorable. And yeah, so there are, how much product? I'm scared to like roll it up, but let's see. So there's this much product in there. I'm not going to apply it straight to my face. I'm going to just take it on the brush and kind of do this kind of situation. This is a ColourPop F9. So it looks like a decent amount of product gets on. I'm going to kind of take some off the back of my hand and just apply. And just kind of stipple this on. Okay, you get a good amount of blush. I didn't really take too much either. It's going on fine, like on top of like powder. I did like set my under eyes and stuff, and it seems to be going on fine. It's not like lifting my like foundation or anything, so it looks good. Again, this is the shade Hey Sugar. I really like this one. It is super pretty. I'm gonna contour my nose really quick and then we'll move on to the highlighter. Okay, so I went ahead and just contoured my nose. I'm baking really quick, but we're gonna move on to the highlighter. This one is called Dream About Me. This is such a cute highlighter. I love the packaging, the little like heart inside. It is so cute. So I can't find my like normal highlighting brush that I always use, so I'm just gonna use this one. It's from ColourPop. It's a F5, and this looks like a super pretty highlighter. It looks like it has some like purple and peach kind of shimmer throughout it, so ooh, that's really pretty. Yeah, it's definitely like has some pink and purple shimmer. Not super glittery, but it does have some glitter in it, so just keep that in mind if you don't like that. I don't like highlighter that much anymore, but I think this looks really cute. Honestly, I'm gonna put some on my collarbones because it's really pretty. That like peach kind of undertone to it makes it look really wearable. It's really pretty. Up here too, why not? Cute. Okay, I'm gonna finish up the lower lash line. I'm just probably gonna do the exact same thing that I did on the top. I'm actually going to start off with By the Fire, which was that like neon orange pinky shade. Honestly, I might just keep this shade on the lower lash line because it's really pretty. I'm kind of winging this shadow out as well. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take You Up, which is this shade right here. Let's see. Okay, that works. I also love that the like mirror in here is like a little heart. I do wish that there was like a darker like pinky or like purpley color in here just to kind of deepen up some looks, but I'm not too mad at it. I really like that By the Fire shade. It's super pretty. Ooh, I'm gonna take a little bit of Can't Compete, that shade right there, and put that on the inner corner too. I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara really quick and lashes, and then we'll come back and do the lips. Lashes are on. Basically, we're almost done. I did not use the lashes from the collection just because they're not really my vibe. I like more of a subtle, just like a little half lash. And these ones are like very long. They're really pretty, but it's just not like what I was going for today. So I just use the lashes that I have on all the time. I don't know what lashes these are. I get asked constantly. They're from the Bold Face Makeup. I just don't know what style they are. And I just cut them in half. So we're gonna move on to lips. We do have 2 lip kits and I love the packaging. I'm not like in a matte lip mood right now, but I might use the lip liner. This is the No One's Baby liner. I'm gonna line my lips with this just to add a little bit of color. And then we have the little gloss set. I think I'm going to use this one. Again, packaging is super cute. It's in a heart-shaped packaging, just like the blushes. And this is the shade February Bay. And I'm just going to... Oh yeah, this is super pretty. Matches the eyes. Cute. Very pink. It's a little bit more pigmented than I thought. I'm going to add this Jenner. It's a nude. I'm going to add a little bit just maybe to tone it down just a tad. There we go. Just to tone it down. It's not super, super pink. So I like the way that looks. And this little lip gloss set is super cute. I love the packaging on it. Everything in here is like the packaging is chef's kiss. Let me dust off this powder and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love how this look turned out. It's very me. Love it. I love Valentine's Day collections. It's just my favorite time for makeup. It's besides like Halloween obviously, but like Valentine's Day makeup and Valentine's Day collections are seriously like my favorite. So let me give you guys my final thoughts on everything. So starting off with the palette, I do really like it. I liked the shades in here. I think they all performed really well. I like that like bright orangey pink shade that I kind of just put on everywhere. It's really, really pretty. I think that I just like had like a little thing about with a palette was I just wish there was like one more like darker shade or something to like deepen up any look, but other than that, I mean, it's not the end of the world. I still really do like the palette. I think they performed well. All the shadows, the shimmers performed really nice. The one that I put on my lid was super pretty. So yeah, I really liked the palette. The highlighter actually was one of my favorite things in the collection. I think it's super pretty. The more I like see it like on my collarbones and like on my cheeks and stuff, I really like it. I like the packaging on it as well. I think it's super cute. And I just love the like heart. It's so cute. I like everything in here is adorable. But yeah, so I really like the highlighter. My next favorite thing in the collection, I think, are definitely the glosses. Packaging is so adorable. The glosses actually were a little bit more pigmented than I was expecting, so that's also really nice. They're not like super sheer, so they don't all kind of look similar. They all were really pretty. I love the shades that were picked for the little set, so I really like that as well. I also love these little blushes. Packaging, again, super cute. I want to put these out on display. They're adorable. I also love that they come in this little like packaging that it just looks like you're like opening candy or something. And I really liked the way that the blushes went on. They didn't stay like tacky or anything. They feel really nice. It didn't like lift my foundation or anything. The shade that I used, Hey Sugar, worked really well. It was really pretty, and I think it's sitting on the skin really nicely. Like I said, it went on top of like my powder, and my foundation didn't lift or anything on top of it, so I really like these as well. I think this is also one of my favorite things in the collection. The little matte lip kits, again, packaging really cute. I don't really reach for like matte liquid lipsticks that often anymore, but the colors that were picked for this collection are really nice. I love Kylie Cosmetics lip liners, so I love getting the lip liners in them as well. So I definitely would get used out of that. And I do like the formula of the matte liquid lips. It's just like I would rather wear a gloss, you know, it's just easier. But I do like them, but I wouldn't like necessarily like say run and go get them, you know. The last thing in the collection was the lashes. Again, packaging adorable, just not really my style of lashes, which is why I didn't wear them today, but they are really pretty. I feel like I might be able to make them work if I cut them in half or something, but like for all over my eye, I just don't like wearing full strip lashes anymore, like at all. But this packaging, I'm gonna keep this on my vanity because it's super cute. They also sent like some chocolates with the PR package as well in the same packaging. I have that like on my kitchen counter right now. So, but yeah, so that was everything in the collection. I definitely think the standouts are the palettes, the little blushes, and the glosses, and the highlighter. I really, really do like the highlighter, which I wasn't expecting since I don't really like highlighter too much anymore, but I have it like all over pretty much, and I'm obsessed. It's super pretty. So yeah, I definitely would recommend picking up maybe like the palette, a blush, and the highlighter. And if you like the glosses, I definitely would say pick those up as well. But yeah, so that is my thoughts on the Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day collection for this year. I definitely think that the packaging is like so cute on everything. I love it all. So but yeah, anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.